Have you ever spotted a ladle-shaped group of stars in the night sky? If you have, you might have been looking at one of the most famous asterisms in the Northern Hemisphere. These star patterns are known as the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper. They are easy to find and are a great starting point for anyone interested in stargazing. That's the Big Dipper and Little Dipper. These two asterisms are part of larger constellations. The Big Dipper is part of Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear, while the Little Dipper is part of Ursa Minor, or the Little Bear. These are not full constellations but part of larger ones. The Big Dipper and Little Dipper are asterisms, which are recognizable patterns of stars within a constellation. Asterisms are often easier to spot than the full constellations they belong to, making them popular among amateur astronomers. Such star patterns are called asterisms. They are like the highlights of the night sky, guiding us to the larger constellations. The Big Dipper and Little Dipper are two of the most well-known asterisms, and they have been used for navigation and storytelling for centuries. The Big Dipper is a bright ladle-shaped pattern with 7 stars. These stars are easy to spot because they are some of the brightest in the night sky. The Big Dipper is often one of the first star patterns that people learn to recognize. The two outer stars of its bowl point to Polaris, the North Star. Polaris is a crucial star for navigation because it remains almost stationary in the sky, marking the direction of true north. By finding the Big Dipper, you can easily locate Polaris and determine your direction. The Little Dipper is a smaller, fainter ladle shape. It also has 7 stars, but they are not as bright as those in the Big Dipper. The Little Dipper can be more challenging to spot, especially in areas with light pollution. At the tip of its handle is Polaris, the guiding North Star. This makes the Little Dipper an important asterism for navigation as well. Even though its stars are fainter, the presence of Polaris makes it a valuable tool for finding your way at night. Here's a quick comparison. The Big Dipper is larger and brighter, making it easier to spot in the night sky. Its stars are more prominent and form a more distinct pattern. While the Little Dipper is smaller and fainter, its stars are less bright and can be harder to see, especially if there is a lot of light pollution. However, both asterisms are fascinating to observe and have their own unique charm. But both have 7 stars and look like a ladle. This similarity makes them easy to remember and fun to find. Whether you are a seasoned astronomer or a beginner, spotting the Big and Little Dippers can be a rewarding experience. Next time you look up at the sky, try finding the Big and Little Dippers. They are a great way to start your journey into the world of astronomy. Once you find them, you can use them to locate other constellations and explore the night sky further. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more space facts. We have plenty of exciting content to help you learn more about the stars, planets, and the universe. Happy stargazing!